Hey guys, this is Shiveen, and today in this video I will tell you guys how you can fix a common problem in Netbeans that you're unable to create a project. Yup, so this is a common problem in Netbeans that as soon as you even start the application, you'll be faced with a problem. Now to fix this, let's first discuss why this problem is actually happening. And the reason for this is that any version of Java SE that you have installed above 8 is not that stable, so it would continuously crash if it's Java 9, 10 or the latest Java 11. So at my time of recording I had Java 9 and it didn't work on that. Now firstly, in order to fix this problem, you have to go to Windows and then Program, Files, and then Java. There you'll find your JDK file. So for me it was JDK 9, but it's not here because obviously I deleted it as I fixed this error. So yeah, you should encounter a JDK 9, 10 or 11, whichever JDK you have, along with the JRE file. So just delete both of those files and afterwards go to the link in the description below where you can find the Java SE8 package. So after you have downloaded that, it's pretty simple. Just follow the installation that you see on the screen because it's basically the same. Just follow my installation and you'll be perfectly fine, I guess. Now you should install this at the default path it has installed, but you can install it anywhere you want because in the second way to fix this problem we're going to address that issue as well. But please just leave it at the default path during the installation. It will make it very easy. Now once the installation finishes, you can check your Java folder which we had previously opened in Windows Program Files, and then there you'll find your new JDK file. That should be the file that you see on the screen. So I have two JDK 8 files. One is the new updated one which we downloaded, and other one is the old version that I had of JDK 8. So it's just that it's no more software, and afterwards you should be able to use Netbeans without any problems. Now if you encounter a dialog box saying that this is the default version Java SE and stuff like that, just click yes, and yeah, that should work. So I hope you like this video, but don't go right now. There's one more thing. If you still encounter a problem with this, there may be one more issue that you have not installed it to the right path and Netbeans is unable to find your Java SE installed file. So what you can do is go to Windows, then Program Files, but this time 86-bit files, and then there you'll find a Netbeans folder. Just click on that and open that folder. And once you do that, there will be another folder inside that called etc, and if you open that folder, you'll find a netbeans.conf file. Now in order to open this file, just open your notepad and then paste this file into that notepad. Now once you do that, there will be a section in that notepad. I know it's very hard to understand what's written here, but you'll be able to find a section in that notepad regarding #Netbeans JDK home. Now that would be your path for the JDK that we had just installed. So just change the file path wherever you have installed your file and then it should work. Now hopefully it works, and if it doesn't, just mention it in the comment section below and I'll try to answer it with my best, and hopefully the community will help you as well. So I'll see you in the next video, but before you go, do remember to subscribe the channel. It will really help me out and you won't want to miss any of my content. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.